No, I put some hot, heavy, 3/4.
Yeah.
Put some plastic all around for the water.
Gotcha.
Put it yeah, I can do it for
How long? About a week and a half, 2 weeks?
about 2 weeks over here.
Alright. And that. You seen outside?
I want to buy the good stuff for the spider.
Welcome to today's video. Welcome to the update. Here we're at Boat Road, Lake Charles. Added this wall. Now it's back a full bedroom. As you can see, this is the first bedroom. They gotta come back and add the closet. They didn't do it yet, but it's almost market ready. We got fresh paint all over the house. Bathroom almost done. Gotta add a little light up here and fix that. Coming to the second room, we steam cleaned the carpets, got it right. This room ready to go. Family room, done. We replaced the floors right here. Y'all remember the other video, it was all messed up in this area. We changed all these as well. We had a little water damage. As the old floors out there, y'all can see. Kitchen, we didn't do nothing with it. The kitchen is good. They got an old stove, but that's all right. Here's the master. Nothing was wrong with it. Steam clean the carpets. It's fine. And then there's the master bedroom. We gotta put the mirror back and fix the shower. And that's pretty much it. So this house probably gonna be done at the end of this week. So I just wanted to give y'all a little update. Contact the property manager. We'll charge me 10% and can rent this out for $1,500. She already has somebody on her list, so it should be good to go. Right here we have the fourth bedroom. I didn't show y'all this one. So this is a full bed, 2 bath. Here right now getting quotes. Right now we're in the back of Cleveland Street. Here's the house I did earlier. This is the apartment that came with the house. If y'all remember back in maybe 2 months ago, I had videos about this. I never touched this because I started on the other ones on Cleveland. I'm sorry, this is Patterson. But let's go check out the inside and y'all get to meet Alex. This is the inside, just a 1-bedroom studio. Think, man.
Yeah, this stuff. All this. Put some pepper, put some hot, heavy, 3/4.
Yeah.
Put some plastic all around for the water.
Gotcha.
Put it yeah, I can do it for
how long? About a week and a half, 2 weeks?
about 2 weeks over here.
Alright. And that. You seen outside?
I want to buy the good stuff for the spiders.
Let's look at the outside. You seen the back?
Yeah.
What you think about the back?
Hey, you want to fix this one?
Yeah, we gotta fix that too. We'll make it look right.
40 blank.
Horrible. The trees messed all this up.
The tree is just to cut it.
Yeah, you gotta cut it.
I'll bring you one guy
It's
with
bad
me.
business right there.
Huh?
It's bad business.
How much you buy with you?
Huh?
How much?
Hey, this video is basically just a whole bunch of updates, but we're here at Patterson. As we see, y'all seen that house before. Crazy. That house is being rented right now for $850 and nobody's in there. They're paying the rent every month, but nobody's in there. This is what they did so far. Here, cutting all those trees. They did some work in the back. Let's see. Check this out. Holy. But yeah, they're ripping all this off right now. We gotta replace all that. Get that right. So yeah, we're working on this. This rents for $600. Should be done in a week or two. Not much work really. Just the bathroom, outside, go get it painted. If y'all remember, in the big house, we added that room last minute, like 3 days before it's supposed to be finished. So they're gonna add the baseboards. Yeah, I remember I did that peel and stick myself. They add those baseboards. They're gonna paint all this. When they paint the outside to the other house, room will be complete.